As you work towards your digital vision, working with your digital transformation team, there will be conflict from time to time. There will be differences in opinion, in the way things have to be done, and it's important to ensure that people remain focused, and you need to help them as a leader. How do you transform the team to be a high-performance team, which we talked about earlier, using the SCORE model, and how do you coach and empower them through the GROW model. And finally, we'll talk about the last model is the A.G.R.E.E framework to achieve what we call the collaboration, to reduce conflict when it happens. And the A.G.R.E.E framework starts with first acknowledging there is issue. You cannot sweep it under the carpet, openly discuss, get people to acknowledge and work on it. Second, you need to set ground rule. For example, one of the most important things is to focus on the issue, not the person. Whatever differences they may have in the past, whatever issue they may have, do not cloud the discussion that you're having now to resolve the impending problem or the problem at hand. So it's very important to get people to be very clear about that. So ground rule also means that whatever is discussed here is worked around here, not to be discussed outside. And whatever rules it may be, you can set a ground rule to ensure that the team will work together to resolve the conflict. And the third stage is the reality. So understand the current context. What is the issue? What leads to the current impasse? What is it that people, what is the team member are experiencing now? What are the issue that they need to resolve? So you need to really ask questions, inquiring, get to listen very well, active listening, and use your cognitive readiness and critical thinking skills. And then of course you need to brainstorm and ask questions to what we call the divergent, looking at multiple viewpoint issues, tactics on how to resolve the problem, whatever problem they are having right now. So you need to brainstorm together, find a way out. And lastly, you need to, once you diverge, you need to converge, pick the best solution based on time, resource, money, whatever it is, to be able to find a way to resolve the challenge, and you need to execute it. And that's very important, because we need to, execution is the most important, because if you can plan well, but if you do not execute well, the digital vision will not be able to achieve. So by working together, resolving the conflict, understanding that there is always a way out, and together removing the what we call the cognitive biases that we have, focus on the issue, not the person, and working on the solution, and that will help you to achieve your digital vision. So the A.G.R.E.E model, the SCORE model, the GROW model, all these models are resources that we provide to you in your digital transformation effort to be able to bring your organization to success. Thank you very much.